700 meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission, where the VHP, that is the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, has been protesting. They have broken 2 layers of barricadings. As of it, we can clearly see the kind of security that can be seen here. The Delhi police forces and the paramilitary forces have in fact kept 4 layers of barricading every few meters so that the protesters can be stopped here. Clearly, the people are quite agitated over the situation of Hindus in Bangladesh. They have said that this needs to be stopped and the government needs to take some action towards what has happened in Bangladesh. They are carrying the posters and placards here where they have clearly said that the kind of situation of Hindus in Bangladesh is quite worrying and that something should be done, and this situation should be in fact contained there. Many of the people have brought the effigies of Bangladesh in their hands and are currently trying to in fact also burn the effigies here at the Chanakyapuri area where the protest is in fact right now going on. We'll also try to talk to some of the people who are right here protesting. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
रमन भारद्वाज।
जिस तरीके से आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या कुछ मांगे हैं आपकी?
देखिए, सबसे पहली मांग तो ये है कि हिंदुओं का पे जो अत्याचार हो रहा है उसको रोका जाए, उसके ऊपर एक्शन लिया जाए। कहीं भी किसी इस तरह का प्रदर्शन हो रहा है तो उस पर साथ दें, सरकार हमारा साथ दे। हम कोई हत्या करने नहीं आए हैं, वहाँ पे तो हत्या हो गई है, हिंदुओं की हत्या हो रही है।
The protesters are trying to break the second layer of barricading here. They are constantly trying to march towards the Bangladesh High Commission. They have marched from the very end of this road and have in fact reached here very near, very close to the Bangladesh High Commission. We'll also try to show you the visuals of what is currently happening here, the kind of visuals that can be seen here. Massive protest that has been going on, and the people here, the people from the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, clearly asking for justice over what has happened in Bangladesh, the lives of Hindus that was in fact lost there. They're asking that the government should take necessary steps to ensure that the Hindu population in Bangladesh is safeguarded and the situation should not be seen again where the Hindus living in Bangladesh should be targeted like this.
Well, we are outside the Deputy High Commission, Bangladesh High Commission here in Kolkata. There was a protest that was ongoing. Now they have been pushed back by the police after a lathi charge broke out between the protesters and the police. And of course, this is with regards to the situation in Bangladesh and the attack on the minorities there. And that is why they have come out in large numbers to protest in front of the Bangladesh Deputy High Commissioner's office to ensure that their voices are heard and they can protest against the barbaric kind of act that has taken place. The protesters have come out in large numbers to protest against the atrocities in Bangladesh. ये जो आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और पुलिस भी आप लोग को रोक लगा रहे हैं, क्या कहना है?
देखिए, बांग्लादेश में जैसे अल्पसंख्यक हिंदू के ऊपर उत्पीड़न शोषण हो रहा है, उसके विरोध में हम लोग जा रहे थे जब हाई कमीशन के दफ्तर के और तब कोलकाता पुलिस ने जैसे हमारे ऊपर लाठीचार्ज किया, ये शर्मनाक है। अब देखिए कैसे हमारे कार्यकर्ता के ऊपर ऐसे बर्बरता से अटैक किया गया है। इसके विरोध में हम अगले दिन भी बांग्लादेश हाई कमीशन जब तक इसको वीसा बंद नहीं हो तब तक यहाँ पे हम लोग बैठे रहेंगे।
And they are saying that they will continue the protest till the time the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission doesn't stop issuing visas here in Kolkata. They will remain here on the streets, raising their voice against the atrocities against the Hindus. But of course, this is a very sensitive area as well. There are schools at a stone's throw away from here. There are mosques that are located. This is a minority-dominated area in Kolkata. So the police apprehend there could be a law and order situation which they are trying to avoid as much as possible, because at one point the protesters attacked the police and the police had to resort to lathi charge to disperse the crowd. Now they've been pushed back under the flyover to ensure that the traffic flow begins and there is no untoward incident while these protests are taking place here in the city.
Another protest against Bangladesh and Bangladeshi government here in Jammu. They are protesting against Mohammed Yunus. They are feeling it is because of the connivance of administration there in Bangladesh that Hindus are being targeted, and also anti-Indian narrative is being built so that the Indians can also be targeted. It is because of the government there that Islamist radical elements are having a field day and they are calling shots. And here you can see they are raising slogans, they are holding tricolor in their hand, they are raising slogans against Mohammed Yunus. And here you can see, let me show you the picture of Mohammed Yunus being garlanded with chappals, sandals and shoes, and they are saying that he is the one who is trying to vitiate atmosphere. He is the one who has allowed Pakistan's inter-service intelligence to intrude in Bangladesh. It is because of that reason that today the anti-India sentiment has built up, and today the Hindus are being targeted. Only few days back we saw that one Hindu youth was lynched and later on he was burnt, and right now also the protest is going on here in the heart of Jammu city. They are protesting, they are raising slogans, and they are raising slogans. So the protest continuing. Earlier we saw there was a protest by Bar Association. Now you can say the protest by the Dogra Sangathan. And see, the reason is obvious, because here people are quite agitated. People in India are quite angry. The way they are treating Hindus, the way their atrocities and persecution of the Hindus is continuing. And this process started when basically Sheikh Hasina government was ousted, and she had to finally flee to Indian side. Since then, the Hindus are being targeted. So they demand, one, the safety and security of Hindus, and second, they want Rohingyas to be sent back, and they want all diplomatic ties and trade ties with Bangladesh need to be snapped.